used to walk through life uncertain, never sure what I would find. Every dream felt slightly distant, every hope was left behind. But then you stepped into my story, soft as moonlight, warm as day. And suddenly the world around me found a brighter kind of way. You didn't need a perfect moment, you just loved me as I am. And in your eyes I learned the meaning of a heart that understands. You were mine.